talk about how can you enable read receipts on your Truecaller app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here, you go above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, you just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on message and you just click on it. Then it's going to take you to next step here. Just go down here. You come here to read receipts. You just click in this sign. Like you see, this color show for us. That's mean here read receipts enable with us now. That's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.